ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ali and I'm the in-flight lead on board this flight to London's Heathrow Airport today. I would also like to introduce my other colleagues on board today. I have Charlotte, Michael and Frederick. A special warm welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar, and in Euro Traveller we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our Speedbird cafe service. Pre-purchase items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of Speedbird cafe items on today's flight, please connect to BA Wi-Fi and visit shopba.com to discover the items available. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offsets for £2.50 or donate to our charity partnership, Flying Star, currently fundraising for the Ukraine disaster appeal. Please have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, and please note that we do not accept cash as payment.